we believe that life isn't always fair from the moment you're born. In today's world, it can be tough for men. Testosterone levels are declining, and some people shame men just for being masculine. It's like they don't want you to embrace your natural instincts. Men are often portrayed as villains and told that their masculinity is toxic. But we don't think that's true. As men, we take pride in protecting, providing, and fulfilling our roles. However, the modern world sets up traps that make it hard for men to be strong. In this video, we'll share the 5 habits that keep men from reaching their full potential. Let's find out how we can overcome them. Welcome to Top Tier Success, your ultimate destination for business, investing, and self-development. Our mission is to guide you towards financial freedom and living life on your own terms. If you haven't subscribed yet, you're missing out on valuable insights that could truly transform your life. The first habit that can be harmful is spending too much time on video games. While they may provide some fun and relaxation, we should remember to find our self-worth in the real world. Imagine how you look from an outside perspective while playing video games compared to when you achieve something meaningful in the real world. Being the hero in our own story means accomplishing things that truly matter to us and not just in a virtual world. This next habit might be controversial a bit, and it is prescription drugs. Sometimes kids are labeled with ADHD just because they don't fit into the rigid school system. Instead of addressing the root issues, they're given drugs like Adderall or Prozac, which may not be the best long-term solution. We went through a tough time ourselves but found natural ways to cope. Like cutting out alcohol and stimulants, meditation, and self-reflection. The third habit is spending too much time on explicit content like porn and Instagram. While Instagram can be used for business, it's often filled with sexual images. And then there's OnlyFans, where some people spend money on explicit content from others, which isn't healthy either. Engaging in these activities can trick our minds into feeling accomplished, even though we haven't really achieved anything. Alright, let's talk about a couple more habits that can keep us from being our best selves. One of them is getting too caught up in current events and news. Sometimes, the media deliberately distracts us with celebrity drama or other events while they pass laws that may not be in our best interest. Arguing about issues that don't directly affect our lives won't change anything. Instead, we should focus on making a positive impact where we can, like with our families, friends, and communities. Influence and money are the keys to making a difference, so let's work on improving ourselves first. Alright, let's talk about the last habit that can affect us negatively, and that's poor sleep hygiene. When we were building our first business, we didn't prioritize the quality of my sleep, and that's something we really regret. Sleep hygiene is like taking care of your sleep environment. Start by removing all the lights from your bedroom, and consider blackout curtains to make it dark. If there's any small light source, cover it with black tape. If you need to, try using a sleep mask to block out excess light. You can also try using a weighted blanket, around 10% of your body weight, to improve your deep sleep. Adjusting the room temperature to be colder can also help with better sleep. Another thing to consider is avoiding blue lights at night, especially before bedtime. You can use blue light blockers to protect your eyes. A good nighttime routine can also set you up for better sleep. We know it might sound a bit intense, but good sleep is crucial for your energy, muscle health, and overall well-being. Don't underestimate the importance of quality sleep. Take care of yourself, and remember, we're always here to support you on your journey. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.